This is the continuation of the web design chapter. So in this class we will discuss about some basic tags and text formatting tags. So some basic tags and text formatting tags are P tag that indicates paragraph tag and BR tag that means line break tag. So next B tag is used for defines bold text and I tag is used for defining italic text. Sub tag that indicates writes half of a character below its normal character. That means it is used as a subscripted tag. So next superscript tag, that is SUP tag. It writes half of a character at above its normal character, and last one is underline character, that is U tag. So using these basic and text formatting tags, let us write a program. So here it begins HTML. In previous class I have already told you that the HTML document should begin with the tag called as HTML tag. So I am including a header tag, that is head tag. Inside that I am taking one more tag called as title tag. So I am giving the title for this program as basic tags. So I am giving a tag, program name called as basic tags. So here the title tags comes to an end. So next head tag. So head tag is here. The head tag will get an end. So I am taking / head tag. So after completion of header tag and title tag, so I am using now a body tag. So this allows us to write a complete text which we want to see in a web pages. So I am taking body tag. Inside body tag I am taking a first basic tag, that is P tag. So that is paragraph. So I am writing a paragraph called as HTML document is referred as web pages. So I am writing one line called as HTML document is referred as web pages. So inside paragraph tag I am using some two more tags, that is BR tag and one more is B, that is bold tag. So up to that HTML document is, so up to here I am using it at one line. So after that I am using break line tag, so that is BR tag. So here it splits the text and next text will be displayed in the next line. So BR tag is used to break the line. So after BR tag, whatever the text will be, that will be displayed in the next line. So I am using bold tag for web pages. So only web pages that will be displayed in bold text. So here I am ending a paragraph tag. So next the tag will be subscripted tag. So inside subscripted tag I am using one more tag, that is italic. So I am taking a word called as H2O. So H2O will be written in the italic style. So subscript means I am already told that writes half of a character below its normal character. So ಈಗ half of a character ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, below normal character ಗಿಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ below ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಈ character ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is called as subscript character. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ example ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so I am taken H2O. So I am written normally inside the tags. So when the control understand that subscript tag, so subscript tag that will be written in the form of H2O. So this is the character below its normal character. So that is called as subscript tag. So and H2O will be written in italic style. So next I am using one more tag, that is superscript. So inside superscript I am taking one more tag, that is underline tag. So H6 will be in the output, H6 will be underlined, but I am using superscript. So superscript means right half of a character above its normal character. So it will be displayed in the form of x to the power of 6. So that is nothing but superscript. Subscript means half the character will be written below its normal character. Superscript means half of the character will be written above its normal character. So that is nothing but superscript and subscript characters. So the final output of this program is, so I am taking HTML document that will be written in the paragraph tag. So HTML document is, so here the break tag is used. So here after break tag, whatever the text is there, that will be displayed in the next line, that is referred as web pages. So web pages I am written in bold text, so it will be displayed in bold format. So next, subscript tag. Inside subscript tag I am using H2O as my text, so it will be displayed in the form of H2O, that is subscript form, and it does also have an italic tag, so it will be displayed in italic font style. So at last, superscript tag I am using X6 as my text. So X6 will be written in the form of x to the power of 6. So I am using one more tag, that is U, that means underline. So it is underlined. So that's it. Thank you.